Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Twitter account to Facebook, addressing recent changes. While direct automatic posting of tweets to Facebook is no longer supported due to Facebook's API updates, you still have options. We'll cover how to manually share your tweets and explore the reverse connection, allowing your Facebook posts to appear on Twitter. To share a tweet on Facebook, first, open the specific tweet you wish to share on Twitter, now known as X. Look for the share icon, usually represented by an arrow or 3 dots. From the options, select Copy Link to Tweet. Then, navigate to Facebook, create a new post, and simply paste the copied link. This creates a preview, allowing your friends to click through. While tweets can't auto-post to Facebook, you can link Facebook to Twitter for the reverse. Go to Facebook.com/Twitter in your web browser. You'll see options to link your personal profile or any pages you manage. Click Link to Twitter, then authorize the app. This allows your public Facebook posts to automatically appear on your connected Twitter account. The ability to automatically post tweets to Facebook ended due to Facebook's API changes, implemented to enhance user data privacy and control over third-party applications. While this means a bit more manual effort, it also gives you greater control over what content you share on each platform. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.